Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making super healthy and filling masala idli. This dish is perfect for your breakfast and can be accompanied with a protein smoothie. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, I'm taking 2 bowls of semolina, that is Sooji, and 1 bowl of gram flour or besan. Mix it all together and add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then again give it a good mix. Now start adding water in batches until you get the desired consistency, but it should not be a thin batter. After this, let the batter rest for half an hour at least. It will become thick like this. To adjust the consistency, add water again. Now I'm adding 1 full pack of ENO and then stir the batter in one direction only so that the air bubbles do not escape out. Now my idli stands are ready. I will put the small amount of batter and then tap it once. Now I'm steaming the idlis for about 8 minutes. Next I'm taking oil in a wok and then we'll put mustard seeds, curry leaves, dried red chilies and green chilies. Also I'm adding chana and urad dal and roughly sliced onions. When the onions turn brown, add bell peppers and cabbage. You can add any veggies of your choice. Then add salt, red chili powder and turmeric powder. You can also add Maggi masala if you want. Now I'm putting some ketchup. On the other side, my idlis are also ready. Let's demold them. They have come out really clean. Now I'm mixing the idlis with the masala. I've cut it into 2 pieces. Give a good mix and then sprinkle some oregano on the top. And at the end, garnish it with fresh coriander and desiccated coconut. And now it's ready to serve. Enjoy it with your favorite beverage. I hope you like this simple recipe. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos.